What is happening, tech enthusiasts? Welcome back to ChatGPT Insights, where we dive deep into the AI revolution that's reshaping our world at lightning speed. The pace of innovation is just insane, and if you blink, you'll miss it. Today, we've got a packed show with updates that could fundamentally change how governments operate. Get ready, because you're about to hear about some unmissable breakthroughs. First up, a monumental deal is set to supercharge AI adoption across the US government. Then, we're heading into the medical arena for a critical advancement in cancer treatment. After that, we'll explore how Google's AI is being integrated into public sector services. And finally, a game changer for developers using GitHub Copilot. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. AI adoption accelerates in government sector. The U.S. General Services Administration, GSA, has finalized a significant agreement with Google, paving the way for widespread adoption of artificial intelligence tools across federal agencies. This landmark deal, dubbed Gemini for Government, aims to streamline access to Google's advanced AI and cloud services, offering them at substantially discounted rates to public sector entities. The agreement, set to remain in effect through 2026, signifies a major step in the current administration's strategic initiative to accelerate the integration of AI technologies within government operations, as outlined in the National AI Action Plan. Under the terms of this agreement, federal agencies will gain access to Gemini, Google's premier generative AI chatbot. Gemini is renowned for its versatile capabilities, supporting the creation of text, images, video, and code across a multitude of platforms, including widely used applications like Gmail, Docs, Sheets, and Meet. The Gemini for Government package specifically includes access to Google's AI-optimized and accredited commercial cloud services, its sophisticated Gemini models, and its agentic capabilities. The pricing structure is remarkably cost-effective, set at just 47 cents per year, per agency, for access to Google's AI tools. This initiative is a direct offshoot of the administration's broader AI Action Plan, Winning the AI Race, America's AI Action Plan, released in July 2025, which emphasizes leveraging federal agencies to expedite the adoption of US-based AI solutions and provides the flexibility for agencies to customize these models according to their unique requirements. The plan's core objectives revolve around fostering AI innovation, developing robust American AI infrastructure, and leading in international AI diplomacy. The Gemini for Government agreement directly supports these priorities by centralizing the procurement of commercial AI tools and promoting cost-effective solutions across federal agencies, in alignment with the administration's April 2025 executive order. Furthermore, it is designed to simplify access to AI tools for multiple agencies, aiming to reduce administrative burdens and standardize procurement processes. Karen Dahut, CEO of Google Public Sector, highlighted the benefits, stating that the agreement offers transparent pricing and a predictable path to realizing value, helping agencies future-proof their AI investments. This strategic move ensures that government entities can leverage cutting-edge AI without prohibitive costs, fostering innovation and efficiency. Federal agencies will benefit from enhanced enterprise search functionalities, advanced tools for video and image generation, and access to the NotebookLM AI platform. The agreement also features prepackaged AI agents specifically designed for in-depth research and idea generation. Crucially, it empowers federal workers to develop custom AI agents tailored to their specific operational needs, thereby streamlining complex workflows, boosting overall efficiency, and significantly reducing the time dedicated to data analysis. This builds upon GSA's prior 1-Gov arrangement with Google, which previously offered Google Workspace to federal agencies at a substantial 71% discount. However, the adoption of Gemini is not without its challenges. Google has faced legal scrutiny regarding its AI models. In September 2024, a trademark lawsuit was filed against Google's rebranding from Bard to Gemini, alleging infringement of pre-existing marks. Additionally, Gemini has been the subject of copyright claims, with accusations that Google's Imagen AI model training involved the unauthorized use of billions of images. Google's motion to dismiss these claims is currently pending, underscoring the ongoing legal complexities surrounding the deployment of generative AI systems. These copyright disputes are part of a larger wave of lawsuits against AI companies, highlighting industry-wide hurdles. For federal agencies like the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office, USPTO, which has already implemented AI for design patent image searches and classification, the federal adoption of Gemini underscores the critical need to navigate these IP challenges effectively. Stay tuned, because the next update dives into a crucial battle against a formidable disease. We're exploring a significant new frontier in gastroesophageal cancer treatment. AstraZeneca's GEMINI-PeriOp GC study marks new era in gastroesophageal cancer treatment. AstraZeneca, in collaboration with Perxil International, has announced a significant update regarding its ongoing GEMINI-PeriOp GC clinical study. This master protocol study is a phase II platform designed to rigorously evaluate the safety, tolerability, pharmacokinetics, and preliminary anti-tumor activity of novel agents and combinations in patients with locally advanced, resectable gastroesophageal adenocarcinoma. The study represents a critical push towards finding more effective treatment strategies for a particularly challenging form of cancer. The GEMINI-PeriOp GC study is exploring a diverse range of innovative therapeutic interventions. These include promising new drugs such as AZD901 and rilvegostomig, alongside established and potent agents like trastuzumab deruxtecan, TDXD, capecitabine, 5-fluorouracil, 5-FU, and the standard FLOT chemotherapy regimen. The strategic administration of these treatments, both in the neoadjuvant, preoperative, and adjuvant, postoperative settings, aims to significantly enhance patient outcomes and improve survival rates in this difficult-to-treat cancer. The study employs a non-randomized, parallel intervention model, eschewing masking to focus directly on the therapeutic effects of the interventions. Participants are strategically allocated into 3 distinct substudies, each designed to test different combinations of these novel agents. This platform approach allows for flexibility and the efficient evaluation of multiple treatment strategies concurrently, providing valuable data on efficacy and safety profiles. The study commenced on July 17, 2025, with the primary completion date and overall estimated completion date yet to be determined, though the most recent update was submitted on August 20, 2025. These timelines are vital for tracking the progress and anticipating the eventual release of study results. From an investment perspective, this clinical study update holds considerable potential to positively influence AstraZeneca's stock performance. It underscores the company's deep commitment to advancing its oncology portfolio and its dedication to pioneering innovative cancer treatments. The collaboration with Perxil International further bolsters confidence in the study's robust design and its potential impact on the broader pharmaceutical industry. Analysts are keenly watching the progress of such trials as indicators of future market leadership in targeted cancer therapies. This cutting-edge research is not just about developing new drugs, it's about redefining the standard of care for patients battling gastroesophageal adenocarcinoma. The perioperative approach, combining treatments before and after surgery, is a critical strategy to eradicate residual disease and prevent recurrence, offering a more comprehensive fight against the cancer. The inclusion of TDXD, a highly effective antibody-drug conjugate, alongside novel agents and established chemotherapies, showcases a multi-pronged attack against the disease. The study's platform design also allows for adaptive modifications, potentially incorporating new agents or combinations as research progresses, ensuring it remains at the forefront of therapeutic innovation. Patient recruitment for the GEMINI-PeriOp GC study is currently underway, and further detailed information is readily accessible through the clinical trials portal. This initiative represents a beacon of hope for patients and a significant advancement in AstraZeneca's ongoing efforts to combat cancer through scientific innovation and strategic clinical development. Prepare for a shift from medicine to the digital realm, as we uncover how AI is being integrated into the very fabric of public services. Get ready to see how Google's AI is set to transform government operations. Google's Gemini for Government, a catalyst for AI-driven public sector transformation and cloud revenue growth. The recent Gemini for Government agreement between the U.S. General Services Administration, GSA, and Google marks a pivotal moment, poised to catalyze significant transformation within the public sector through the strategic deployment of artificial intelligence. This accord not only promises to accelerate AI adoption across federal agencies, but also represents a substantial opportunity for Google's cloud revenue growth, offering a glimpse into the future of government operations powered by advanced AI technologies. The initiative aligns with the administration's broader vision for leveraging technology to enhance efficiency, security, and service delivery within government. At its core, the Gemini for Government initiative provides federal agencies with unprecedented access to Google's cutting-edge AI capabilities, including its flagship Gemini generative AI models and associated cloud services. The agreement, valid through 2026, establishes a cost-effective pricing structure of just 47 cents per year, per agency, for access to Google's AI tools. This dramatically lowers the barrier to entry for government entities seeking to harness the power of AI for tasks ranging from complex data analysis and research to content generation and workflow automation. Agencies will gain access to enterprise search, video and image generation tools, and the NotebookLM AI platform, alongside pre-packaged AI agents for research and idea generation. Crucially, the agreement empowers agencies to develop custom AI agents tailored to their specific needs, fostering bespoke solutions for unique governmental challenges. This strategic partnership is deeply rooted in the Trump administration's AI Action Plan, Winning the AI Race, America's AI Action Plan, released in July 2025. The plan's emphasis on accelerating AI innovation, building domestic AI infrastructure, and leading in international AI diplomacy is directly supported by this agreement. By centralizing the procurement of commercial AI tools and promoting cost-effective solutions, the Gemini for Government Accord streamlines processes and encourages widespread adoption, as mandated by the April 2025 Executive Order on AI. Karen Dahut, CEO of Google Public Sector, emphasized the value proposition, noting the agreement's transparent pricing, and a predictable path to realizing value, helping agencies future-proof their AI investments. This foresight ensures that government IT infrastructure remains adaptable and capable of integrating future AI advancements. The implications for public sector transformation are profound. AI-powered tools can automate routine tasks, improve the accuracy of data analysis, enhance cybersecurity measures, and personalize citizen services. For instance, the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office, USPTO, has already leveraged AI for design patent image searches and classification, demonstrating the tangible benefits of AI in improving efficiency and accuracy. The Gemini for Government platform extends these benefits by providing capabilities like natural language processing and multimedia AI tools, all while incorporating built-in data handling, privacy, security, and compliance features essential for sensitive government information. This ensures that the deployment of AI adheres to strict governmental standards. From a business perspective, this agreement represents a significant win for Google Cloud. By securing a large-scale government contract for its AI services, Google not only solidifies its position in the public sector market, but also creates a predictable and substantial revenue stream. This success can serve as a blueprint for similar agreements with other government bodies and international allies, further expanding Google's AI footprint. The focus on transparent pricing and predictable value realization is key to building long-term trust and partnerships within the government sector, positioning Google as a reliable provider of critical AI infrastructure. Now, let's shift gears to the world of software development, where a popular coding assistant is getting a powerful AI upgrade. We'll explore how Gemini 2.5 Pro is becoming available to paying GitHub Copilot users. Gemini 2.5 Pro integration boosts GitHub Copilot for paying users. GitHub Copilot, the widely adopted AI-powered coding assistant, is now offering enhanced capabilities to its paying subscribers with the integration of Google's advanced Gemini 2.5 Pro model. This move provides users who subscribe to GitHub Copilot Pro, Pro Plus, Business, or Enterprise tiers with access to one of Google's most powerful AI models, potentially elevating the coding assistant's experience. However, the integration raises questions about user enthusiasm, especially given that Gemini's capabilities are already accessible freely through various other channels, often with fewer restrictions than the Copilot integration. The availability of Gemini 2.5 Pro within GitHub Copilot is a significant development, promising improved code completion, generation, and understanding for developers. Despite Gemini 2.5 Pro being Google's most advanced model, there's a growing discourse in the developer community comparing its performance against competitors. While some users report that Anthropic's Claude Sonnet 4 offers faster, smarter, and more consistent coding assistance, the inclusion of Gemini 2.5 Pro undeniably expands the choices available to GitHub Copilot users, particularly those invested in the platform's premium offerings. This expansion caters to a segment of the developer community that values integrated workflows and seeks the most potent AI tools directly within their development environment. It's important to note that GitHub Copilot is far from the only avenue through which developers can leverage Gemini 2.5 Pro for programming assistance. Google has recently introduced the Gemini CLI and Gemini Code Assist for VS Code, both of which offer free access to this powerful Gemini model. The only caveat with these free tools is the dynamic switching to the less powerful Gemini 2.5 Flash model, which occurs based on overall capacity demand. This flexibility in access highlights Google's strategy to make its advanced AI widely available while managing resource allocation efficiently. The choice between integrated paid services and free standalone tools often depends on user preference, workflow integration needs, and cost considerations. The integration strategy also comes amidst broader discussions about the monetization of AI models and the value proposition of subscription-based AI tools. While platforms like GitHub Copilot aim to provide a seamless, integrated experience, some users express reservations. For example, feedback from paying users suggests that the free Gemini tools might offer fewer restrictions compared to the integrated version within GitHub Copilot. This sentiment points to a potential tension between the convenience of integration and the freedom of access to underlying AI models. The success of paid coding tools in popularizing advanced models like Gemini hinges on delivering a superior, differentiated user experience that justifies the subscription cost. Furthermore, the AI landscape is increasingly competitive, with companies like Anthropic gaining significant traction. Anthropic's Claude model, for instance, has earned widespread praise from programmers for its performance, often exceeding established benchmarks. A key factor in Claude's success has been its integration with AI coding platforms, providing developers with a robust and reliable tool. Anthropic's transparent approach to mapping LLM usage, as seen in their economic index, offers valuable insights into how AI models are practically applied, highlighting Claude's strength in refining existing work versus generating content from scratch. This level of transparency and demonstrable performance sets a high bar for competitors like Google as they seek to embed their models within popular developer tools. That's all the cutting-edge news we have for you today, but we'll be right back with a quick recap of all the major breakthroughs. Don't go anywhere. And that wraps up another electrifying episode of ChatGPT Insights. We covered a lot of ground today. The U.S. government is accelerating AI adoption with Google's Gemini for Government. AstraZeneca is pushing boundaries in cancer treatment with its GEMINI-PeriOp GC study. Google's AI is set to transform public sector services, and GitHub Copilot users are getting a powerful upgrade with Gemini 2.5 Pro. If you found this information valuable, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into AI, and hit that notification bell so you're always in the loop. Also, Let us know in the comments which story you found most impactful, and follow us on all our social channels for even more AI insights. See you in the next one.